that article that you got, that you read over, was to get you into the kind of the proper mindset to answer this. Now, this, what we're talking about today, directly relates to your final conclusions for this lab. So, the big question: why are we doing any of this? Why are we going through this? Why? Why are we doing what we're doing? Why are we doing what we're doing in this class? Why are we doing what we're doing in any class? Why? What's the purpose? Maybe a different question might be, what are we really learning? What are we really, really learning by going through this? What are the things that we are learning, myself included, that we take away from this to move forward in anything that we're doing? So, the activity that we have today is going to hopefully give a plenty more insight into this idea later. These are your groups for the day. Find yourself, get into your groups, no, not just yet, get into your groups, decide one person who is going to come up here and grab a number of sheets of paper out of this bin and at least 2 or 3 different color markers. Okay, go. Okay, your task is to come up with answers to that question. Why? Why are we doing what we're doing? What are we doing what we're doing? Why is it happening? Why are all of these people trying to help you do something? And what is it? Every one idea that you come up with as a group, agree upon it, write it down big on one side of one of these pieces of paper, and then take it and tape it up to this side wall somewhere here. You got 15 minutes to come up with as many as you possibly can and get them up there. Ready, go. One per sheet. Yes, it is a pretty good question. Or a different variation of it. Travis, what are you thinking? What are you thinking? Hold for a second, listen up. Now is where it becomes a little more difficult, because we're only halfway through that 15 minutes. We're going 15 minutes. Okay? And 15 minutes is not that long of a time. So, really bear down, focus in on all different aspects you possibly can think of in your groups, discuss it, come up with a bunch more in the next 7.5 minutes. Keep going. Do it and stay on track, please. Go for it. One more minute. So now, what I want you to do, so 3 full minutes, look at them. Look for patterns and look for ones that really stand out as the ones that are really going to be helping you out in the future. starting now. So what we want to do now is we want to take what's up here. We want to take what's up here and put them into larger categories. Yes. So take a look at what's here. You've examined it. You've looked at it. Is there a category that will fit a bunch of these into, and we can put the title of that category up there and start writing them down. And as we start writing them down, we can take them down from the wall. Look at what's left. Do you see any encompassing categories that they could fit under? Wait a minute. I'm seeing, like, be courageous. I'm seeing be confident. I'm seeing love yourself. I'm seeing tolerate change. Attitude? Is that a good category? All right, attitude. What I'd like you to do is come on back here. No, we're not doing a lab. You can call this an activity if you want. Well, we did call it an activity. Okay, give a little room, take a look. And again, you are really looking at what you see. Okay, really look at it. Do you agree that these are the important things, the real things that we're striving for? Do you agree? I would hope everybody would. The question is, are you thinking about these whenever you are doing anything in school or at your job or at home? Are you? I can't answer that. You can't answer that right now. It's for yourself to answer. Think about that for a second. Are you really consciously working on these all the time? Come back and have a seat here. So last year, I actually took this very kind of same idea to try to organize my thoughts into what is really important. And it's stuff that I've been doing since day one, but really trying to get it all in to actually plan out better lessons and activities. That's my version of this. Look at that carefully. Start with the big categories, the ones in boxes, and then see where they branch off. And then see where those subheadings are as well. If you need to get up and look closer to be able to read it, feel free. Yes, I will be posting this as well. But look at it. We caught a lot of those, didn't we? There's also a lot more that we didn't come up with today, right? So, have a good weekend.